right.
No, you just did my friend Joey's house on 22nd.
Oh,
Yeah, Joey. Little kids, I don't want them breathing in the dog.
absolutely. Thanks for joining us. If this is your first time watching, please subscribe, follow us so you can watch all the new videos we bring you. We post about cleaning services to help families, contractors, and realtors. So today we're bringing you a story or behind the scenes about this post-construction cleaning we did for a family with 2 kids. The focus was to sanitize the area, make it very clean, so that because they have kids, they won't have to worry about the dust and anything else. Please watch it. Tell us how we did. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Tile.
This is
It's
all
black tile, so it's
black tiles. Okay, cool. No
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's protected. Okay, so this is the original. This is the original.
This is going to
Okay.
be changed to wood vinyl flooring. You see the flooring right here? That in those boxes. That's what it's going to be.
Oh, okay. Here. This is cleaned out nicely, and this is cleaned out nicely. All right.
You know, clean it as best you could. It's not crucial that it's going to be super clean.
Okay.
But just presentable. Yeah.
Okay.
Contractors.
Okay. Interesting to use a yellow grout. That's interesting.
Yeah.
Just to, you know what I mean.
Yeah. I'm put here a new.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Space is gonna be all open.
Closet.
It's not a closet. It's a pipe here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Piping.
Okay.
This is a closet here. Everything's gonna have handles, obviously.
Mm-hmm.
There'll be shelving.
Okay. Cool.
This is another closet inside.
Okay. Yeah.
This is a closet.
Closet.
This one is again just the pipes and the.
Okay. So utilities.
Yeah, it's not, it
Okay.
It's just gonna wipe down. This is also has like
So that's
electrical box. and stuff.
So you don't have you have a laundry room here?
No, that's it.
Okay.
This is all we have.
Okay.
You know.
Okay. So the same upstairs have shelves in it.
No, this is just gonna be shelves.
Just shelves.
Just shelves.
Okay.
This is just gonna be shelves.
Okay.
Move into the kitchen. This is the kitchen area.
Okay.
All the cabinets, wipe them down, clean as possible.
All right.
You just did my friend Joey's house on 22nd.
Oh,
Yeah, Joey.
you want a plastic off too, right?
Yeah, we could take. I'll probably take it off before you guys come.
Okay.
All the cabinetry. We're getting all new appliances, so this won't be like this anymore.
Okay. So don't worry about appliances.
No, appliances will be brand new.
Okay.
They're coming in next week.
Well, we still got to take the plastic and stuff out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, sinks.
Absolutely.
There's two
Obviously.
sinks.
Obviously.
All the
Okay.
cabinetry.
Okay.
This is my contractor.
Okay. How you doing, sir? Kitchen area, nicely done. Cleaned all the surfaces. All done. Inside is wiped down, cleaned out. Surfaces inside the fridge. Cabinets. Totally cleaned out. Pretty nicely done. Cleaned out nice. Yes.
I recommended you guys.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. He loved what we did.
Yeah.
Yeah. Absolutely.
He just it's clean all the
All right.
bathrooms.
Yeah.
Wipe down all the doors.
Exactly. Take all the plastic
Take
off.
plastic. We'll take
all the
it.
stuff.
Wipe them all down.
Yeah.
It's all dusty.
Okay. Bathroom. Nicely done. is this the finishing, or are they going to put a
Finish.
coating on it?
It's finished.
That's it.
Finish.
Okay.
It was done.
All right.
It was done Sunday.
Okay.
This is the finish.
That's it, wireless.
I need to get to like pack it.
What?
Okay.
Two more water motions.
Finished product.
Okay. All right.
All just.
Yeah.
I saw you guys on Instagram. You have like that wall cleaner, or whatever.
Exactly. Steam clean the walls.
Yeah, because this paint color, unfortunately, the paint color my wife chose, it leaves some sort of stuff marks and stuff. So just clean it as much as you.
Oh yeah. Okay. You talk. Okay. All right. So this right here needs a touch up.
Yeah. My contractor's
Yeah.
gonna touch up everything
Okay.
later.
Cool. Yeah. Because that's definitely exposure. That will
that's
not.
gonna be done at the end.
Okay.
This is a brand new banister.
That's a brand new. Okay.
Brand new banister. So everything.
So you want the walls steam clean everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's dusty. Just I want to.
Yeah.
I have two little kids. I don't want them breathing in the dust.
Absolutely. Upstairs,
these are brand new carpets. I
Okay.
don't know what you guys do with carpets.
No, just vacuum it.
Vacuum.
Yeah.
Make sure all the dust comes off.
Exactly.
Whatever it is. Upstairs is really, for now, it's really completed.
Nicely cleaned up.
All have carpets in all the rooms, the
Yeah.
hallway. There's deep.
Still has that fresh carpet smell.
Yeah. Deeping the carpets, the walls,
Okay.
closets are all empty.
All right.
Everything will be empty while you guys
Yes.
clean.
Yeah.
This will all be built.
Okay.
It's, okay.
Let me ask you, what these are furnitures? So like chairs and stuff?
No, this is a bed frame.
Bed frame. Okay. All right.
It's a bed frame
Okay.
for my son. Would you prefer it not be built?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
got it.
Let us have space to clean everything, and then
Okay.
because you know what I'm saying, put stuff on top of it.
Bathroom.
Yes.
All this is brand new.
Okay.
Toilet's brand new. So all just clean.
Okay.
It's all empty.
All right. Sure, no problem. That's a face. Okay. You just okay. So roll up. All right. Okay.
Yeah, shower door is brand new.
Yeah, they did a good job. They kept it pretty clean, apart from
Yeah. Banisters brand new. Just clean
Exactly.
up
Yeah. Clean
up
each one of it.
The
Yep.
posts.
Yeah. Okay.
Another bedroom,
All right.
not so large. Closet.
Closet, of course.
Closet's just
Okay.
wide
So
open.
all the closets have cabinets in them.
Correct.
Okay.
Just like this.
Okay.
They're all built like this.
Okay.
Of course, all the doors up here, all the framing, all of this. This is a closet. Again, just wipe down.
Sure.
Nothing crazy.
Yeah.
This is the master.
Same thing. Okay.
Same thing. This one
Okay.
we have a bed built already.
Okay.
But okay, I mean, we can work with this. We can move around.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not a big deal. It's not built into the wall. We
Okay.
are.
Uh-huh.
I might do it after the fact.
Okay.
We do have these panels that are going to be drilled into the wall.
Okay.
So I'm thinking of maybe just doing it later, after it's cleaned, because I would like it all cleaned.
Okay. All right. So steam clean. Okay. Cool. No problem.
Again, the closets are
Yeah.
all the same. Drawers,
Yeah.
windows.
Okay.
Yeah,
right.
just like your basic. Nothing really. Special.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. So there's one bathroom upstairs.
One bathroom upstairs, one bathroom downstairs.
In the basement?
One bathroom in the basement.
Oh.
Inside the bathroom. Already cleaned out. All that. Nicely done. Carpet is clean. Over here. It's all cleaned out. Already cleaned out. All that. Nicely done. Carpet is clean. Over here. It's all cleaned out.
Okay, so 3 bathrooms.
Yeah,
One on each floor.
One on each floor.
Okay.
The one in the basement is the worst out of all three.
Okay. Because
Because
the workers
see-
are using it. Yep.
Workers are using it, and we didn't do anything to it.
Okay. Okay.
Like,
Okay.
this bathroom and this bathroom, we did stuff to them.
Okay. 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 I get it.
You know what I mean?
Got it. Got it. Got it. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Please leave us a comment, share with some friends. If you're a contractor, a developer, a realtor, or somebody that just purchased a house, or you did a remodeling in Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to come and assist you with some good cleaning like the one you just saw. This is our contact information. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.